These types of videos have millions of views on Instagram, and these accounts have hundreds of thousands of followers, and are very easy to create with the help of AI. In the end, I'll also tell you 3 different proofs showing how they are making thousands of dollars every month. Let's get started. First, we need to generate images. Here are some of the best prompts for you. That's link is given in the description, or you can ask ChatGPT to write prompts for you. For images, I'm using Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo, scroll down here, and you'll find the images already created by other users. Choose anime, and select motion. Now you'll find the ready-made videos created by Leonardo users like this. But we need to generate our own videos to stand out, so click on Image Creation. Here you need to understand some settings. First, disable the legacy mode to experience the new interface. On the left side, click on Present and choose Anime. Choose the present style Anime General, and select Contrast Medium. Image Dimensions More, and choose TikTok. Now open the blog, copy a prompt, and paste the prompt in the box. On the bottom left side, go to Advanced Settings and enable Negative Prompt. The negative prompt is also given in the blog. Also put the negative prompt for better results. Hit Generate, and you'll get the 4 different images. Choose one image. Leonardo also has a motion button, which would cost 25 credits, that will convert it into video. Here's the result. Download it. You can use any video editor, but I'm using CapCut. Import the video that we downloaded. Add it to the timeline, and crop it to remove the watermark. Go to Adjustments, and do some color grading according to your video. Here are all the settings that I applied, and the before-after comparison. Now duplicate the clip, and reverse the second clip. In this way, a loop will be formed. Go to Music and search for Nature Background Music, add the music to the timeline. Finally, export the video, and make sure the frame rate is 60. If you want to upload photos, like this page which has only posts, open Leonardo, get a prompt from the blog. In Image Dimensions, click on More, select Instagram, and hit Generate. I like the first image, but its quality is very low. Leonardo offers Upscaler, but it's a paid feature. So download the image, and open Canva. Click on Upload, then import the file, edit the image, and then use it in a design. Click on Edit Image and you'll find the image upscale it, and here's the before-after comparison. Click on Share and download in full quality. Everything is ready. Let's move on to the craziest part of the video, how they are making money. There are 4 different ways. The first one is paid promotion. This page has mentioned to DM for promotions. Brands actually pay them to use their logo or product to display it in the anime style. The second way is support or donation. This page has mentioned support me if you love my work. It has provided a link. Here's the support button. If you go to the link, you'll see the tip page. 808 people have already supported him. This other page also has a Buy Me a Coffee link. Here 782 people already supported him. The third way is selling wallpapers and is the most effective way. This page also has a wallpaper button, and he is selling wallpapers for $5 to $10. Its total sales are not public. This other page is also selling wallpapers. It has already sold 1787 wallpapers. The fourth way is to sell courses. This page is also selling a course for $100. In the course, he'll tell the same that I did for free. His 6 courses are already sold.